Hey everybody, and good morning. I've got a great product that I wanted to share with you today, and we're going to do an unboxing and a general review opinion of it, and it has to do with gutter cleaning. Now, it's that time of year where I have to go and take a look at my gutters, but I just had a company come out and clean my gutters for me, and then Sealegend reached out to me. And by the way, this video is sponsored by them. I am going to unbox this, describe it, and then I am actually going to go to someone's home and clean the gutters with it to show you how nice and easy it works. Now, again, sponsored by Sealegend, tip of the hat to them. And let's open this up and see what we have in here. Now, the nice thing about this gutter cleaning kit is if you have any Ego tools, particularly like an Ego blower, this adapts directly to it, and you'll see that when we open it up. Now this is in pieces that connect together. They'll screw together, so that's what makes it nice and rigid once it's installed. Nice touch here, they give you a set of safety glasses. You can always use safety glasses when you're cleaning the gutter. This is the angle. This is the angle piece. In other words, you can rotate this any way you want. So the airflow is going to be coming up this way. So if you want to blow things in the gutter, moving it along, you just simply twist this a little bit and then take the stuff right out of the gutter. This is the attachment. This is the direct attachment for the Ego blower. So this will go right on there and snap in place and stay nice and firm. And then we have some operating tips and instructions. I know everybody likes to look at those. That's what you're going to see. It's actually pretty straightforward, right? That's what we have here. So you're going to assemble all those pieces, and then you're going to be good to go clean the gutter. That way you can break it down and put it back in the box when you're done with it. It has a 360-degree adjustable nozzle. Has the blower connector, which I've shown you. It has four extension wands and the dust-proof goggles, or we call them safety glasses here. And it's by Sealegend. And it just tells you how to connect everything and how to put it together. Now, I don't have my blower in the house, and quite honestly, I don't want to have it in the house. But what you'll see here, I'm just going to set up a couple of sections. There's 4 sections. And they're very simply, they just screw right into one another. Very simple, okay? That's all you have to do. And then let's imagine this is already all put together. Then we're going to take this on here. Just stand this up for a second. We don't need this tag on this. Well, you notice there's a little indent right here. You can use that to thread this pipe on here, okay? That's what we're going to do. Just like that, okay? And that's how it works. It's pretty simple. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, I had the wrong piece. This is the piece that actually goes on here. It has a little slot, a little receiver slot that you're going to push down on here. Okay? And then you're going to be able to turn that and lock it in place. Once that's up there, you turn it and it locks in place in this little collar here, okay? That's as tough as that gets. So as you see, there's one piece. Now let's make believe I have this all put together, which I can't because my ceiling isn't big enough. You're going to put this top piece on here, all right? And then you're going to have your blower, all right? And we can adjust it. Like I said, you can adjust this any way we want to. You're going to have your blower, and you're going to be like, whoosh. This will be down in your gutter, and you can move right along and clean everything out that needs to be cleaned out. So what I'm going to tell you right now is this looks like a very worthy investment and something that quite honestly, I wish I had years ago, because I can't tell you one of the jobs I always put off is getting the gutters cleaned. This year, I paid a company to come clean them, but I could have easily used this kit and saved myself a couple of $100. So if you're looking to clean your gutters, and you have an Ego blower, or you don't even have an Ego blower, you can buy this in a non-Ego blower model. But I would highly recommend that you check this out, because I think it's going to save you a lot of time, energy, and money. And who doesn't like that, okay? And don't forget, it also comes with a free pair of safety glasses. So thanks a lot to Sealegend for sending this out. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Quality seems to be top notch. And I'll catch you, make sure you watch for the video where I go and clean somebody's gutters. So somebody's going to, some random person someplace is going to get a free gutter cleaning. Take care.